is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Gucci outfit versus a Forever 21 outfit. Now I know this sounds a little unconventional because those are two totally different categories when it comes to clothing. Gucci is insanely priced. Forever 21 is meant to be very cheap, and they have a lot of designs that are similar to more expensive brands. The reason I wanted to do this though is because I did a $250 at Gucci versus $250 at Topman video, and that one did really well and you guys liked it, so I thought let's try to spin this a little bit. But this is gonna be kind of weird because Gucci, the prices are very expensive. A reason this came about is because I did a mystery box video last week and I got these shorts in it. These are some Gucci shorts and they cost $850. Very nice, very silky. But I thought, I have some shorts, why not do a summer outfit video? Do another one because it's summertime now, at least where I live in most of the United States. So I decided to go ahead and try to pair those shorts up with something else on the top and then make a similar outfit from Forever 21. Also, if you guys are watching this video and you don't subscribe, I would ask you guys a kind favor to subscribe because there's a good amount of people that watch my videos but don't subscribe. So if you do like the content around here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell if you want to be notified when I post. As well as always, I gotta plug my Instagram because I do have the most fire Instagram stories. I'm pretty cocky when it comes to that, but if you just look at these pictures and the videos that I do, I'm in love with the way that everything I've been doing on my Instagram stories, and I try to post a really good content on my feed as well. So follow me there if you want to. Almost at 70K, like 700 away. So thank you guys so much for that. But I'm not fully awake yet. It's pretty early. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now. So let's go ahead, grab some coffee in an unconventional way. I wanna, instead of walking there like I usually do, I want to take this new thing. It's a scooter type of thing that maybe you guys have heard of, not a paid sponsorship, and go grab some coffee and you can see my outfit. My outfit is fire today. I'm in love with it. Look, where is it? Right there. So let's go ahead and go get it. Grab a scooter, grab a coffee, and wake up. So there's a coffee shop that's walking distance of where I live, and I walk there a lot, but there's this new thing that I've been using, and it's called Bird. Now, this is not a paid sponsorship. I honestly just started using it because I see people riding around. Basically, it's like a scooter service where you literally go on an app, it'll tell you where the scooter is, and they'll randomly throughout the city, you pick it up, ride it, and it's like 25 cents or 15 cents a minute, and then you drop it wherever you are. So I think I'm gonna try to do that because I'm having fun with it, and just, you know, now I'm on the app and it says that they're throughout random locations throughout, and so I think there's about 5 up here, so hopefully we can find one. Oh, I actually see one right over there. So look, I just found one right here. It was just sitting outside this big old building. And we go ahead, just come up to it with the app, hit ride, and you scan this, unlock. We're good to go. Let's go ahead, get us some coffee. It's not the smartest idea to be holding a camera doing this, so I'm trying not to drop my camera. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and lock it and leave it here. Gonna end ride. I'm not gonna be able to ride this back with a coffee. $1.90. So I'm just gonna leave this here because I'm not trying to spill this on my way home. That has been the way I've been trying to get around lately, just because sometimes it takes longer for me to get out of my parking deck than it does for me to get up and find one of those. But actually, they're never really by my apartment. It's always like a quarter a mile away, so I do have to get a little bit of walking in, but hey, it's still fun. It makes me feel more like I'm in the city. I try to do more walking because it makes me feel like I'm more involved in the city life around where I live. So this is something fun to do, but now I'm gonna walk home. We're gonna do this outfit, and I'm gonna wake up hopefully because I'm tired. I'm out here doing this at like 8 something in the morning so I can film before my roommate wakes up, Alex. So also, if you guys didn't hear what I ordered, I got a vanilla iced coffee. That's what I've been drinking now in summer. Over the winter, I started making pour overs and black coffee, and now I'm drinking this. I just used more energy doing that than I'm gonna use all day. Oh my, I look tired. I need to take a second and wake up. So like I said before, we are comparing a Gucci outfit and a Forever 21 outfit. I wanted to do Topman, but since I did that before, I thought, let's go ahead and do something a little bit different. And this is probably one of the cheaper price points. Maybe like Uniqlo or something could be a little bit cheaper. but this is the main kind of cheaper price point. So for Gucci, of course, I had the shorts. These are about $850, I think. So $850 for some shorts. I really like these though, so there's something that I wanted to find similar through Forever 21. And so now, before I show you the shirt that I got for Gucci, I'm gonna show you the outfit from Forever 21 so you guys can see exactly what we got. I think we spent about 45 bucks, so let's go ahead and check it out. So for this outfit, we got 3 pieces, and one I'm not sure about, but Forever 21 has a history of stealing designs, and that is clearly seen in one of these pieces here. So I got a few different things, and I thought I wanted to go with kind of like this track pant vibe, this track short vibe actually. So it's got the stripe down the side. So what I found was this pair that's somewhat similar color attributes. And as you can see, they're just a nice red and black pair of shorts. They have the lining on the inside and the outside. One of the pricier items on Forever 21. So this was $34. I don't know if you guys can see this decent quality. They're kind of, you know, not nearly the same materials as the Gucci shorts, but it's kind of just like a nice shinier material. So then I wanted to do a shirt, but I thought just doing a shirt and shorts is just not enough. It's just, we need more. We need more. So first thing I did was the shirt that kind of matches. Now I don't know how you guys feel about this. Typically I don't do full matching, but for this I thought let's try to do a little bit of matching. And so we have a shirt that says Believe, but it's red and black, similar to that. So shorts and shirt right there. The shorts are definitely longer than the Gucci ones, and I think that might be a styling point of the Gucci being a little bit shorter. But for those, that's the one that I found that was the most similar. And this shirt right here was $8.90, so $8.90. Pretty good deal. And I thought let's throw like a button down over it or something for summertime, if we're going to the beach, whatever. So I decided to get this one right here that is like complete ripoff from Balenciaga. You guys, you can see this from a distance. You might think, oh, that's a sick Balenciaga shirt. No, it says, if you can read this, you're too close. This is a Forever 21 shirt. I saw it in the store the other day, 20 bucks. I thought this might pull everything together from a distance. It might look like a fire Gucci Balenciaga outfit, but we'll have to see because the total for it was like, now that I'm doing the math, it was like 65 bucks, but that's for 3 pieces of clothing. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we got from Gucci, because that is, where things get a little bit different. So $8.50 on the shorts here. Got them in a mystery box, so no price point paid there. The main thing that I had to get was a shirt, and there's a ton of different shirts, and I wanted to kind of pick a certain way to do this, and I don't know how this is gonna look together. If you buy from Neiman Marcus, you get fat packaging. So obviously you're gonna get that. They do have good, you know, customer service. Give you a little bit extra for what you're paying, but I don't think that's enough to justify the prices, but that doesn't matter because it's not their brand. They're just selling another brand. So we got it right here. If you guys can see, do you guys have a guess of what shirt this is? You guys know I've had the Gucci shirt before that has like just Gucci on the front and like the tri-color thing. We're gonna open this up. See, look at the packaging here. Wow. I think Neiman Marcus did this too. I don't even think Gucci did this. They had a problem finding this too. It took like a few days extra to come in, but let's open this and see. We got the shipment information. Here is the shirt right here, $550. It says Gucci right there. Has a bunch of different places on there. Berlin, London, Shanghai. I think it's pretty cool. For $550, quality for $550. But I thought this one would fit the color striping on the side. Not too bad, but not also perfect. So now, as usual, it's time for us to go ahead and put on the outfits and compare. Now, obviously, fit matters because I wanted to make sure I get good sizing. And obviously, if I wore too big of a shirt, too small of shorts, whatever, it would not look right. So we're gonna see if this outfit looks good together and if the Forever 21 outfit looks good together. So what I'm gonna do is put up a poll while the shots of each outfit is going. And you guys can let me know which outfit you think did better. And then we'll come back, see how we did, and continue on with our day. we're back from looking at both the outfits. What do you guys think? What did you vote on? This shirt is, if it's normal, I would say. This is a really like relaxed summer vibe, but not for $1,300. So what should you vote for? Did you vote for this Gucci outfit, or do you guys mess with this Forever 21 outfit right here? So this, I'm kind of indifferent on how the shirt is very similar, basically copied from Balenciaga. I don't really care if people wear stuff like that, but to me, I just don't like the companies that are completely ripping it off. They literally just changed the word a little bit, but it's the exact same design. And maybe there's a little bit of things that they could have done to kind of switch that up, but for me, I'm not sure, because I think it was Forever 21 was in a lawsuit with Gucci, and Forever 21 ended up winning, and they had copied a bunch of designs, so I don't know how that works. I like how both outfits fit personally, but let me know in the comments down below which one you vibe with more. The Gucci one is definitely simpler, definitely a lot more expensive. You can get 12 of these outfits for the price of that one outfit. But if you're about the brands and you have the money to spend, which would you do? If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, it's a little bit different. It was more on the apartment slash tech sidey of my videos, and not as many people saw it as usual, but I think it's just because it's how different of content it is. But if you guys do enjoy anything apartments, check that video out. There's some awesome stuff in there, some awesome steals, some awesome creative ideas you can have around your apartment. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like down below. I always ask at the end of the video, but if you're still watching it at this point, please leave a like down below, and thank you so much for supporting. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.